to love. I can never get enough. But then sometimes you're too much. I'm down, then I'm up. I know I'm hard to love. I know I'm hard to please. I'm never happy, it seems. But you put my heart at ease when it's crashing like the seas. I know I'm hard to release. But baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, baby, if it were easy, it wouldn't be no fun. I know I'm hard to read. It's like I'm missing pages in me. You think you know the next line, then I change my mind. I know I'm hard to read. I know I'm hard to get to know. I wish I could all go along, but I barely know myself, babe. We'll do it together day by day. I know I'm hard to get to know. But baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, baby, if it were easy, it wouldn't be no fun. Ooh, something about me and you that makes it work like we do. So unpredictable. Nothing like what we got. Girl, you know you never want something so typical. See, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. Baby, if it were easy, you know that we would be miserable. And maybe I'm completely crazy, but so are you for loving me so long. And baby, if it were easy, 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 it wouldn't be no fun.
You told me I'm your anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire we try to hold on. We built this ship together, searching for a home. Despite the storm that hit us, we're still on board. Dancing in the moonlight, the world just stopped and stares. We got no destination, I'll take you anywhere. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed, words just come together, story that we never told. So far you're saying for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, oh, I always be your captain. I'll be your captain. I always be your captain. I always be your captain. anchor, I told you you're my pole. Through the wind and fire, we tried, hold on. All the doors we've opened and all the books we've closed, words that come together, a story that we never told. So for your sake and for my own, you said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. From our failures we have grown. You said just keep holding on. If you're about to break, I'll always be your captain. Be your captain. I'll always be your captain.
Sunny day, take me down to Covert Lake. Take me back to yesterday, 'cause that's where I belong. On a rainy day, take me to that old cafe. We'll watch the teardrops drip away with everything we've known. 'Cause I know how to write a song. You know how to sing along. You take me back to summer days. Oh, it feels like yesterday, when nothing could go wrong. You take me back to summer nights. Don't need no rhythm or no rhyme, but dancing all night long. It sounds like it sounds like on a winter day, take me down to White Rock Lake. We'll get out our old ice skates and go around it too. And when we get cold, Cafe du Marais.